Look at our Sprunki Tumbler toys. But where is Sky and Randy? Oh, I found Sky and he is under the table. Have you seen Randy? Oh, here's Randy. He can't stop rolling. Let's help him. We will show you how to make this tumbling toy. Jevin's falling asleep. Time to wake up, Jevin. And look at Vineria. Is she having a crush on Jake? Can you make me another Vineria pen, Daddy?
Okay, I'll show you how to make it.
Simon to clean his teeth. Brush, 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 brush. Wait a minute. Why is there Sprunkies inside his mouth? Did he eat all the Sprunkies? I don't care. Let's brush his teeth. Brush, 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 brush. Now we need to get the water. Let's rinse his mouth. He's back to normal Simon. We'll show you how to make the Sprunki game. Do you know how to make this squishy Sprunki burger? First the meat, a whack lettuce, Simon the cheese, Mr. Sunny side up, and then put Orin the bun on top. Is this how Daddy makes all these ingredients, Jake? No, Daddy will show us how to make it with everyday stuff. Sprunki stickers are hungry. Let's feed them with sprinkles and even me, Sprunki stickers. We will show you how to make these lovely stickers. Daddy, if we feed the Sprunkies with too many sprinkles, they will fart a lot like you, Daddy. Look at this squishy pinky pencil. She's so squishy. Oh no, the black cat is here. Oh! Pinky turns into horror mode, but I still like it so much. We will show you how to make this squishy pencil. Have you ever seen Sprunkies floating in the air? Let's find out now! Wow! Wow! They're flying together. Let's do Pinky. Yay! Shake it! Oh! They're dancing in the air! We'll show you how to make these super fun floating Sprunkies. Making these Sprunki cutout is easy, but can we have more Sprunki characters? I'm afraid Daddy's too lazy to work out more characters. And here's the fun part, mixing the washing liquid with water. Just don't mess up the place. characters with a dice. This is the coolest Sprunki ever. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make the cutest Sprunki ever. Oh my god, it's Sprunki with a beard. That's the weirdest Sprunki. We'll show you how to make your own Sprunki character with a dice. Don't let the Sprunkies fall in the water. Go! Oh, I dropped over. Oh, the lucky yellow, yeah. We can win. We can win. Your time to shine. Don't let us lose. Okay, Jerry, don't let us lose. Holy crap! We'll show you how to make this Sprunki game. Let's open this Pinky Squishy. Wow, it's a makeup miniature. Oh my god, Jerry's become Pinky. Ah! We'll show you how to make this makeup miniature. She spits out slime.
Oh!
So cool. No, that's so disgusting. Then try. Whoa, actually, I quite like it.
Oh my god. Is she that? Anyway, I'll quickly show you how to make it.
This is so satisfying, but kind of disgusting. Look, I found a wax. I love it. This is really slimy. It's also pretty and satisfying. Daddy, do you have enough paper towels to clean up this mess? We'll show you how to make this mystery Sprunki egg. Sprunki Pen. Guys, look at my Sprunki Pen. Sophie, don't do it in front of the camera.